Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the address unreachable error in Google Chrome. And now let's get started. First, a simple restart of your router can often resolve connectivity issues. After your router has restarted, try opening Google Chrome again to see if you can access the internet. If that does not solve the problem, and you have another web browser installed, such as Microsoft Edge or Safari, try accessing the internet with that browser. If other browsers are working correctly, it suggests the issue might be specific to Google Chrome. In this case, you may need to uninstall and then reinstall Google Chrome to see if that resolves the problem. Should you continue to experience the error, the next step is to disable any proxy server that might be active. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Run. In the Run window, type inetcpl.cpl and click OK. This will open the Internet Properties window. Navigate to the Connections tab and click on LAN Settings. Within LAN Settings, ensure that the option Use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. If it is checked, uncheck it, then click OK and then OK again on the Internet Properties window. Afterward, try accessing Google Chrome once more. You can also check and adjust the proxy server settings directly within Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner, and select Settings. On the left-hand side menu, click on System. Look for the option that says Open your computer's proxy settings and click on it. Here, make sure that Automatically Detect Settings is checked and that the Use a Proxy Server option is turned off. If it is on, disable it. Save your changes, close the window, and then try opening Google Chrome to see if the issue is resolved. Another helpful step is to clear the DNS cache within Google Chrome. To do this, open Google Chrome and in the address bar, type chrome//netinternals/#DNS and press Enter. On the page that appears, find the option for Host Resolver Cache and click on Clear Host Cache. After clearing the cache, close Chrome and then reopen it to test the connection. If you are still facing connectivity problems, you can try changing the DNS settings on your Windows device. Right-click on the Start button and select Run. In the Run window, type ncpa.cpl and click OK. This will open the Network Connections window. Right-click on the network adapter you are currently using and select Properties. In the Properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and click on Properties. Choose the option, Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, enter 4.2.2.2. Click on Advanced, then go to the DNS tab, and under Add, enter 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare's DNS. Click OK on all open windows. Then, try opening Google Chrome again. Finally, as a more advanced step, open the command prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for command prompt in the Windows search bar, right-clicking on the result, and selecting Run as administrator. In the command prompt window, execute the following commands, pressing Enter after each one. ipconfig/release, ipconfig/all, ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/renew, netsh int IP reset, netsh winsock reset. After running all these commands, restart your computer and then try opening Google Chrome to see if the address unreachable error has been fixed. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.